So for today menu, for the breakfast, I'm gonna cook a hot cake. So it's a basic ingredients and basic procedure for the breakfast hot cake. So these are the ingredients. Flour, all-purpose flour, non-blanch, and brown sugar, and the baking powder, and of course the butter and I'm gonna use the salad master square griddle for cooking the hot cake for the breakfast. And these are all the mixed together. You have to mix all together the ingredients: sugar, flour, and of course you use water, or if you want to use milk, you can use milk as well. It's up to you. If you have a problem with dairy, you have allergies, so use water. And also you can add 2 eggs. So 1 bowl of this, I add 2 eggs. So now it's ready to cook. By the way, I add half teaspoon of baking powder in this 1 bowl of flour and sugar mix all together. So I add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Don't put too much baking powder because it's gonna taste bitter. So my cookware, the square griddle of salad master, it's heat up already. So just gonna wipe the and then of course just gonna put the like that the hot cake, the mixing flour. So you just put like that. And wait for a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Then it's gonna be cooked. Now, after 1.5 minutes, time to flip up. There you go. This is perfect. So the temperature, guys, is only medium heat. So it's gonna be perfect. You see, guys, it doesn't stick on a salad master square griddle. It's so delicious. It's very tasty because I use butter. So now not even 1 minute, so it's done. See, this one I like a little bit burnt, so it tastes so good. So yummy. This is how I make a hot cake. Very simple recipe. Baking powder, flour, sugar, 2 eggs for 1 bowl of mix all together the ingredients. Then if you want to use milk, you can use milk instead of water. So yummy.